When looking at the entertainment industry, we often think of movies or TV shows, but one area that often goes overlooked is video games, despite their advancement in the last decade. Most people know Mario or Link, but it's hard to say that their series represent the pinnacle of gaming. They're classics, yes, but they're not boundary pushing in the story department. I believe there is more to gaming, not only in regards to their gameplay, that's a different topic, but I wanted to focus on the story that they tell. For instance, Persona 5 is an anime RPG that is built on the relationships you form with friends, classmates, and enemies. This game has already been praised by many, with some noting its ability to discuss topics that many of us can relate to. For instance, there's an entire dungeon in the game devoted to someone who's struggling with their mental health. But in regards to the main story, it discusses societal corruption as well as societal reforms. However, throughout the story, we see cinematic moments as well as more down-to-earth ones that we would usually see in a TV show. But what truly pushes Persona 5 and video games as a media above other forms of entertainment is their player choice. It's this choice that allows us to become more attached to the characters in positive and negative ways. You may come to love your allies, but you may also grow more disdain towards your enemies. Video games put you in the pilot seat, immersing you in their story completely. And in recent years, even movies have begun to draw from video games, trying to retell stories that gamers love. But it's the lack of audience influence, at least in my opinion, that really kills these movies. I didn't make this video to say that other entertainment is obsolete, but rather to shed light on what I and many others believe is the entertainment industry's final evolution. I've only shared one aspect of this argument, but I hope it opened your eyes to see what stories can be once you start to interact with them.